showers or the strong storms yet. Not severe, but we are watching what's coming up from the southwest. Right now, Austin kind of in between showers, if you will. Downtown, probably just a couple spots of sprinkles. We have some light rain out towards Manor. And then on western Travis County, we have some moderate rain falling. But look at what's coming up from the southwest. We have very heavy rain, a lot of lightning too, out towards Dripping Springs and Wimberley. Really most of Hayes County and most of northern and central Blanco County looking at quite the light show with this strong thunderstorm pushing in. Now, yes, it is still raining, but just wanted to give you an idea of what our rainfall totals looks like so far. This is as of the top of the hour, widespread 1 to 1.5 inches out in the hill country. These numbers are going to change, I think, pretty significantly in the Austin metro, but about 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch so far. Not as much out in our eastern counties. We knew going into it that most of the heaviest rain and the strongest storms would be west of I-35. Live look outside. This is out in Dripping Springs from our friends over at Allied Medical Emergency Room. Maybe tough to tell this far away, but there's some heavy rain I can see making those puddles in the parking lot. We know that 290 is wet as well. Factor in extra time to slow your speed. Too much, not only rainfall still falling, but also what's left over on the ground. Probably some ponding with how heavy that rainfall is at this hour. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s for most. It's a cooler start to the day. A little drier too. Dew points coming down 50s and 60s right now. If you remember yesterday, we were talking about dew points well into the 60s, if not 70s. So drier air will continue to work in as we get into the afternoon. High temperatures will be in those low 80s today. I do anticipate some sunshine here once we get past lunchtime. These storms are on their way out. I think 7, 8, 9 a.m. still out in our eastern counties, but weaker. By lunchtime, we're seeing more sun than clouds, and there is the potential couple isolated storms wrap around on the backside of this in our eastern county, so east of I-35. It's only 10%. It's not something I'm worked up about, but I am going to keep an eye on just 1 or 2 straggler storms this afternoon out east. Dry skies overnight into tomorrow. Heads up though, gusty winds coming in behind this front. We're going to be looking at gusty winds of about 30 to 35 miles per hour. And technically speaking, it's a second front. We've got one moving through now, helping fire off those storms and showers. This one that brings in the wind is dropping down from the north. So wind direction will change on us late today into the overnight hours. And we're still talking gusty winds as we wake up tomorrow morning, overnight into the early morning hours. Muggy meter shows humidity high still today before that cold front comes through here. It tries to recover this weekend before cold front number 2 gets in here, both coming with the temperature drop. So here's what it looks like on a 7-day. We've got a 40% chance of showers this morning. I'm going to keep that at 10% this afternoon just for our friends out in our eastern counties, but gusty winds expected late day tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, they should be lighter. Tomorrow, though, we likely will not leave the upper 60s to low 70s, taking a brief break from the 80s before they come right back in here. Friday into the weekend. The weekend gusty but warm. Then cold front number 2 slides in here late Sunday into Monday. Look at that temperature drop. Takes us all the way down to the mid to upper 60s. Our overnight lows will be in the 40s too, but should be dry with more sunshine as we get into St. Patrick's Day next Tuesday. So we'll continue to follow these storms and showers on radar this morning. In the meantime, let's get you a check on traffic.